people's understanding of right and wrong grows, future generations will look back on our treatment of animals with the same sadness we feel for past injustices.
Through the ages we have seen moral progress, goals foreseen. From heavy chains to equal rights, brave voices rose to spread the light. In every era, in every place, a group stood up to make the case for justice, fairness, and what's due. Changing laws, inspiring youth. We're making history, can you see? Standing tall for those who can't be free. History will remember how we march together as animal defenders. For the animals, we take a stand until society views them as someone's. In future tales, we'll be the force that stood in favor of the animals' cause. One day this injustice will be no more. We'll look back and know what we fought for. Abolishing cruelty, ending the plight, marching forward for what's right. We're making history, can you see? Standing tall for those who can't be free. History will remember how we march together as animal defenders. We're making history, can you see? Standing tall for those who can't be free. History will remember how we march together as animal defenders. History will remember how we march together as animal defenders. History will remember how we march together as animal defenders.